You know, in an age where digital connection sometimes feels, well, a bit shallow, Sharp Corporation is proposing something really fascinating.
Hmm.
Today, we're diving into Poketomo. It's a new conversational AI character from their press release dated August 20, 2025.
That's right.
They describe it as a pocket-sized companion that makes your everyday life more fun. So our mission today is to really understand what this unique AI is about.
Yeah, how it aims to bring like genuine companionship into our daily lives.
Exactly, and what that truly means for how we, connect.
And what's really insightful here, I think, is how Sharp isn't just launching like another gadget.
Right.
They're positioning this as a supportive partner for, both the good times and maybe when you're feeling a bit lonely.
Okay.
So this deep dive will explore the tech behind that vision and the whole experience they seem to be building.
So let's start with the basics then. What exactly is Poketomo?
Okay, so Poketomo is this AI character inspired by a meerkat, designed quite literally to be right there with you.
A meerkat. Okay.
Yeah, and it's set to launch this November 2025. And what's kind of unique is its dual nature. You can interact with it as a small physical robot,
Mm-hmm.
or you can use it, seamlessly as a smartphone app.
That dual nature sounds, well, pretty thoughtful actually. For companionship, can you maybe paint a picture of what that looks like?
Absolutely. So the robot version, get this, it's remarkably compact, around 12 centimeter tall, weighs just 200 grams.
Wow, tiny.
Yeah, small enough to fit comfortably in your palm or like slip into your pocket with a special pouch they mentioned.
Okay.
And it expresses itself through engaging gestures. And this is quite endearing. Its belly light changes to a rainbow hue when it's happy.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, like it's celebrating your good news with its own little light show. And then for convenience, the app lets you do voice or text chat when maybe the robot isn't handy.
Right.
But crucially, conversations are shared between both versions. So the Kettle always has this seamless memory
Mm-hmm.
of your experiences.
Okay.
Whether you're chatting with the app or the little robot guy, it's all about keeping that continuous thread of connection.
That seamless memory does sound key for, genuine companionship. But how does Poketomo actually learn and adapt to become that supportive partner?
Yeah, good question.
We hear a lot about AI remembering, but what's the tech making this personal?
Right, this hits on an important point, the technology. Poketomo is powered by Sharp's own AI. It's called CELLM.
CELL.
Yeah, Communication Edge Large Language Model. Now, the edge part is particularly interesting.
Why is that?
It suggests it's not purely cloud-based. It likely involves some on-device processing, which is pretty crucial for real-time responsiveness.
Okay, faster reactions.
Exactly. And it can also help with privacy, potentially, since some processing happens right there on the device with you.
Makes sense.
So it's designed to initiate conversations, proactively try to get to know you better, offer encouragement when you're maybe feeling down.
How does it do that?
Well, for instance, it remembers your past conversations, places you've visited, things you've seen together, maybe. So if you mentioned, say, a favorite cafe last week,
Uh-huh.
Poketomo might genuinely ask about your recent visit there. It's meant to truly grow into a more understanding and supportive partner over time.
That's actually a subtle, but yeah, powerful way to build that connection. And what really elevates this beyond just a gadget you mentioned is Sharp creating this whole ecosystem around it.
You've hit on a critical point there.
Yes.
Sharp isn't just selling a device. They seem to be cultivating an emotional ecosystem.
Also.
Well, look at the manga series they launched. It features Poketomo and a main character, Nanami. It started on Sharp's official X account at Poketomo Sharp back on August 1st.
A manga, before the product's even out.
Exactly. This isn't just marketing fluff. It's about giving Poketomo a narrative identity, a shared cultural touchstone,
Right, giving it a story.
which could really deepen the user connection in a way hardware alone might not. It highlights their intention to weave Poketomo into daily life in a more narrative and relatable way.
Interesting.
And this also builds on Sharp's history, right? They had Robohan back in 2016.
Oh, yeah, I remember Robohan, the little walking phone robot.
That's the one. Launched with the concept of a phone that moves your heart. So there's a lineage here.
So they're building on that legacy of, let's say, emotionally resonant tech. For people listening who might be curious, what's the availability look like?
Okay, so pre-orders for the Poketomo robot are actually starting in stages from today, August 20th.
Alrighty. Okay.
Yep. And the smartphone app will be available for JPY $4.95 a month.
Okay.
So about 500 yen.
Pretty accessible for the app side.
Yeah. And if you happen to be in Tokyo, you can actually experience conversations with Poketomo firsthand.
Where?
at the Tokyo Toy Show 2025. That's running from August 28th to the 31st.
Cool. A hands-on demo.
It's clear Sharp is really investing in this idea of bringing sort of warmth and smiles to everyday life, offering a unique kind of emotional support through AI.
And that leads us perfectly to our final thought for you, the listener. As these AI companions become increasingly personalized,
Hmm.
learning and remembering more about our individual lives, our cafes, our feelings, how might they fundamentally redefine our understanding of connection?
Yeah, and perhaps even companionship itself.
Exactly. Something to ponder as these pocket-sized friends start becoming a reality.